What is up, y'all? It's Troy back here with another video, and today we're gonna be going to the pond again and bass fishing because it's like raining and cloudy, so we're gonna throw some topwater. But I just want to give y'all a little rundown on my setup. So I got my GoPro bag with the charger. Just gonna be charging my GoPro while I'm filming. Got my gloves, my tripod and like selfie stick, the chest mount. And then I got a box in here with about 3 of everything that's in my bag that I use to just fish daily. Then I got the Shimano Corrado DC on the custom rod with the like a peanut butter jelly jig. Then the Abu Garcia Vengeance with the Shimano SLX with a frog. And so hope we can get on them today. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'll get back to y'all when we on the way to the pond. Alright, y'all, we on the way to the pond right now. Wait for this car to get past. So we on the way to the pond right now, and it's pretty rainy. Hopefully we get a good day on the frog. So yeah, hopefully we get some good topwater bite. See y'all when we're there. Alright, y'all, so we keep on seeing stuff blow up on the water. So I'm gonna see if I can't sneak this frog up under here. See if we can get a cool blow up real quick. Before this video starts, we're playing music in the background. I don't own any rights to any of the songs being played. So oh, he had one. Was that on the frog? Yep. Heck yeah. Hey, that's a good sign. You seen the, did you get a blow up? Heck yeah. Oh. Hey, you gotta wait like 2 seconds before you set the hook. Got one. Yep. He ain't bad either. Probably about a 1. First one of the day, baby. Let's get it on the frog. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. GoPro was recording. Let's get it. Bye, buddy. Thanks for biting. He tore that frog up, son. He straight up demolished it. Let's hope we can get some more. Guess I'll move in on your side then. All right, y'all, so now we're on like a side of the pond that I've never even been able to, that I knew I was able to get to, but we made it. So I'm gonna try to sneak one out right here. It's pretty tree, so you might not be able to see if I get a blow up, but you'll be able to see the fish. I just want to take the time right now to tell y'all that I'm out here getting soaking wet. All my camera gear is getting soaking wet. My lures are getting soaking wet. And my reels are getting soaking wet. I would just really appreciate it if y'all would just drop a little nice like and a subscribe. would mean a lot, because this ain't easy. And this GoPro that I'm recording with was about $700, but it was my choice to buy it. I wanted to make YouTube videos, but please like and subscribe. Alright y'all, so I just switched to this peanut butter jelly jig with a like an Alabama crawl trailer on it. So we're gonna see if we can get any big ones to hit this bad boy. Let's see, because top water wasn't really doing us justice. Obviously, first cast to get stuck in a tree. That's exactly what we're looking for. I'm gonna stand up under this tree because it's kind of raining. Heck yeah. Bro! What are you doing?
I was getting a background shot. I'm gonna catch it for the game.
Oh yeah.
Mine.
Oh yeah. My brother got one. Come on,
Ooh.
keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down. All right.
There we go.
Yes, sir. My brother's first of the day. We tied 1-1 right now. We ain't really having a competition or anything.
Hey, that's the biggest one I've caught in this pond.
Oh yeah. Get
Barely
a nice
hit.
release on it and don't launch it. Yes, sir. There it goes. On to be a 5-pounder. Maybe.
I think it's 4 muffins.
Alright y'all, so we on the other side of the pond. We're gonna try to sneak up in here with this frog. See if we can get some action. Ooh. If I don't bust my butt. Got one. Yep. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, yeah. A little poo shiesty. Come on now. Second fish of the day. Third for the both of us. They tearing this frog up. He swallowed it, son. He wanted it. Thank you for biting, buddy. Nice little fish. Hold on. Let me make a couple casts where you are, and then we can start walking. You don't gotta move.
Look, that's what I'm talking about.
Alright, cast. Alright, so as you can tell, we ain't really catching much, so we're gonna take a little hike around the pond. Just cast while walking around it. So yeah. Like this spot right up here would be a pretty good spot to cast. Alright, y'all, so we over here on this gushy other side of the pond. It's really muddy and wet. Yeah, I don't even think there's fish over here. But it wouldn't hurt to find out. Actually, a canal runs back there or something. Should probably go check it out. Alright, y'all, so on the other side of the pond, we stand over there usually, just right up there on that bank, but we decided to come over here this time. See if it's juicy as it looks. Calves.
Oh, yes, buddy. That's it. That's
No,
it.
it's not. Hey, it's bigger than all the rest, though. Heck yeah, man. Dude, I thought I seen him following it, but I wasn't for sure. Let's go. Third one of the day, fourth for the both of us. This man is a little fighter. Nice, little thick stomach. Let's get that frog out of you.
We both only caught one.
Hmm?
We both only caught one.
This is my third. What are you talking about, boy?
One over there. One's catching the second one.
Over there. Go get a release on this guy. Get him back on his way. There he goes. Heck yeah. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. We didn't catch as many as we like, but we caught some. We came out here in the rain to get a topwater bite, and we got the topwater bite. I don't know if I'll put me using the spinnerbait in the video or not, but I used a spinnerbait at the last for a little bit, but it didn't really give me what I want. Didn't really catch a fish on it, so I ain't even gonna put that in the video probably. But I caught 3 or 4. Jeremiah caught 1. Yep, this video is not a catch and cook, but the next video probably will be. We didn't do the catch and cook this time because my girlfriend wasn't here, and me and my little brother are probably gonna bass fish while she brim fishes, and we'll cook her brim. And so that's gonna be it for today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe, turn the post bell notifications on. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I want to get bigger on YouTube and start growing, so please like and subscribe. That's gonna be it for today. Peace.